Okay, I have a best 7-pin padlock. I thought I'd just do another easy lock today. This has 7 pins. And the lock does work perfectly. So let's open up this easy padlock today. Sometimes I get a little bored picking those hard locks, so let's do the easy one. We're going to use moderate tension on this lock, and we're going to use this pick. We're going to start at the front of the lock. Okay, a little bit on 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6. Let's go back to the front. Okay, a little bit on 2, some on 3, okay, that's 4 and 5 again, and 6, and it's open. Okay, that was my easy lock for the day. I appreciate it. So please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.